What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and setting up of Nibbles the Clown from Spirit Halloween 2024. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Here is every single piece outside taken out of the box. Now I'm going to go over every piece inside. Inside the box we have his leg poles, his knee poles, his arms, his hands, his leg foam, his hips, his jester hat, his head, his control box with body, his shoes, his costume, his spine back piece, and his base. But without further ado, let's get right into the setup. Now, while I was setting him up, it actually did start raining outside, so that is why it transitions to me setting him up inside. With me finishing up by putting that collar around his neck, we will now move on to the demo.
Well, you've caught my eye. Don't worry, I'm just admiring your costume. Hey, you over there. Yeah, you. I'm giving out some candy. I thought this would be a great way to make some friends. So come a little closer and try to take some. What do you say? I'm harmless, mostly.